I'm Dan Gibbons, Dean of Virginia Maryland College of Veterinary Medicine, and we are excited to take a bold step forward in the history of our college. We recently received planning authorization to begin the design process of a monumental renovation and expansion of our small animal veterinary teaching hospital. This is not just about expanding a building. This is about our ability to heal. This is about teaching the next generation of students and pushing the boundaries of veterinary medicine. This is about ensuring that every animal that comes through our doors gets the best possible care without delay.
Since 1987, we've grown in ways we never imagined. Our student body has nearly doubled from the first class. We're treating over 13,000 animals in Blacksburg every year, but our aspirations have outgrown our walls. We're stretched to our limits, and that's why this expansion isn't just important, it's critical.
So look at how her back and everything.
Every day, I see our incredible staff and students working miracles in spaces that weren't designed for the advanced care we provide. I think of dogs like Louis Cooper, a brave little Cavalier King Charles Spaniel who came to us with a serious heart problem. Our team saved his life with an emergency pacemaker surgery, but I can't help but wonder, how many more Louis are out there waiting for their chance at a miracle?
As a student, this hospital is where our dreams of becoming a veterinarian come to life. But right now, we're learning in spaces that challenge our hands-on experiences. This isn't just about an expansion. This is about our future and the future of all the animals we'll treat in our careers.
We hope the new space will give us the opportunity to work with more advanced equipment, treat more animals, and gain the experience we need to become extraordinary veterinarians. It's not just about us, it's about every pet owner who will trust us with their beloved companions in the years to come.
We hope to approximately double the size of the facility and renovate existing space to create a world-class, seamless teaching hospital. The size and scope of our plans depend in part on philanthropy. We need to raise an additional $9 million. The goal is to achieve our maximum potential for the animals we treat and the future leaders that we educate.
Join us on this incredible journey.
Because for the animals that we serve and the students we teach, this next step is not just about getting better. It's about sending our patients home healthy, happy, and loved.